So hello guys, how are you? I hope all of you are doing well. I'm also fine today. As you can see, today I'm beside a river, and it's a popular river which I have shown you in many videos. The name of the river is Kushiyara River, and I've made many videos on this river. I'm not on this river, about this river. Okay, so now my exact location is Paharpur Bazaar, and I've come to my home village. That's why I have come to Paharpur to make a video. Okay, so keep watching my video. Let's have a view of this Kushiyara river. So from this bank of river, and I can see there some care huts. I guess these are for shipping places from this bank to that bank. You can see that bank. So now I'm showing you the boat through which the visitors or the peoples exchange their banks. So guys, now behind me you can see a boat is going, and there is the river. If I want, I can touch the water, and you can see here is a man. He is my uncle, I mean Kaku. His name is Shurunjit. So hi Dilao. Hi. Okay, keep watching my video. So guys, now I'm in a launch. You can see it's a mini launch. It's not a mini launch. You can see there's a man. Hi. Okay, now I'm sitting in a, not a chair, this type of place. Okay. So just now I was talking about the Kia Ghat. You see there is the boat which is filled with persons. They are going that bank of this river, and I'm trying to record a clip of video of them. So now behind me you can see this is the stair made of soil. And through this stair I can go to this boat, okay? So here is a mini temple of Ma Durga. I guess it's a free water. So now I'm in a compartment which is filled with bamboos. Okay, you can see even the river is filled with bamboos. I don't know what do they do with these bamboos. Nice view. People are bringing bamboos. I've shown you two mini boats. I guess these are called dinghy now in Bengali. Okay. So that's all about today's video, guys. Don't forget to like and follow my page for these types of interesting videos. Keep eyes on my page named Avik's ENG, and many one says that's Avik's CNG. They are full. I'm not CNG, I'm Avik, and I didn't bring my microphone mistake. That's why the video quality is pretty worse than before. Okay, goodbye.